This is important because those of you guys who think you could start dropshipping with $0, this is why it's very difficult to do that. At $800 a day in sales, you can make $80 a day. By 30, you could still make $2,400 profit a month with a $3,000 flow.
I ship the order, it take 1 day. After, it might take one more day for the customer to have it. Then it's 3 days after. So that's why we say 5 days after, like that's 5 days that my liquidity is blocked.
Right, exactly. What's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video we're going to talk about managing cash flow when drop shipping on eBay. So all of you guys, whether you're a beginner eBay dropshipper, this will definitely apply to you because usually eBay does not pay right away. And all you experienced dropshippers, this may also apply to you because eBay may start paying you right away, go back to paying you 3 days after it's delivered, and you're going to need a float, the cost of goods, to properly run your eBay dropshipping business and fulfill the order. So this is why you guys want to watch the video to the end. Like, subscribe. We're going to go through some important definitions. We're going to do some math. And this also applies to an actual experience that Oliver is going through right now. So
Yeah,
Oliver, you
exactly.
want to introduce yourself after I made that long introduction of the video?
Yo guys, so I'm Oliver. I'm doing dropshipping and I'm doing it for a living, like as my full-time job, and I'm living in Vietnam. So yeah, recently, like just few hours ago, I just learned the news that I got my payout 3 days after the delivery again. Because when I used to start dropshipping, it was like that, and it was really a pain in the ass, like the like cash flow wise. So yeah, now I'm thinking about how we'll go to through this smarter and like yeah.
Right. And then what would have changed is you went from, I remember we documented this. I'll look for the video. You guys could look back in the video. You went from getting paid 3 days after it was delivered to getting paid right away. That allowed you to scale because that happened right before Christmas, not so?
Yeah, exactly. That's what happened.
So it allowed you to scale freely, but this is important because those of you guys who think you could start dropshipping with $0, this is why you can it's very difficult to do that.
Yeah, like
So,
you need some basic, like a basic capital to begin, like
I mean, you started with $200.
yeah, that wasn't much, like that wasn't much, but like you need to build it, like
Right. So let's share your screen really quickly and let's explain to the guys what we mean. So one of the things I remember Oliver said in the last video, and I'll put a link to the last video we did together, is that one of his goals is to sell $1,000 a day, which is $30,000 a month. But then
yeah,
when after you made that like goal, then they started to put the payments on hold, correct?
yeah, exactly. So I wasn't that far from that goal, huh? But yeah, so as you can see, guys, I didn't had any messages from eBay, anything. I just went to see my payment, and this section is loading. It's always like
No, but you were on the right page. The payments at hold.
yeah, payments on hold. So now there, I saw that like, yeah, I'll get my payment 3 days after the delivery is confirmed. So with a tracking number. So yeah, I will have to upfront the money rather than like having the money to before to buy the product. So it really changed like how you're doing it. And it's so much harder for the cash flow, and especially when you're like me, when you're living from it. So you really need,
But Oliver, I wouldn't. It's harder for cash flow in the sense that in your case, you had the opportunity to build up the business, and now you have a credit line of $3,000, not so?
yeah, I have access to my credit card, which is $3,000.
You guys who are watching it, if you sit down and actually be honest about how much money you could use to run this business and run it properly, it wouldn't be hard once you set the parameters. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so to be more prepared, like,
Right. So, Oliver, you could just open the document that we.
yeah, so the
So, guys.
cost of goods sold, profit margin, and the eBay fees.
Right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use Oliver's the amount of money he has to run his eBay business, which is $3,000, and try to not try to calculate, but be honest about how much sales he can take on a daily basis, understanding that he has to wait 5 days to get paid. Okay? So
Yeah,
the cost of goods sold for five, so you said you had $3,000, correct?
yeah, exactly.
Right. So could you open the calculator? Right. So you have $3,000, and that
3,000?
$3,000 is the cost of goods sold for 5 days of sales. And we get the
Yeah,
5 days of sales because eBay is not going to pay us for 5 days.
yeah, exactly. Because like I ship the order, it take 1 day. After, it might take one more day for the customer to have it. Then it's 3 days after. So that's why we say 5 days after. Like that's 5 days that my liquidity is blocked.
Right, right, exactly. So then 3,000 divided by 5 is what? Right. So the cost that Oliver or anyone with $3,000 can afford on a daily basis, if you're getting paid after the items delivered, is $600 a day. So we could go back to the document and put cost of goods sold equals $600.
600 a day.
Right. So now we have to calculate how much sales on eBay you can afford. And on eBay, you have two fees above that 600. So you have the eBay fee, which is, I usually put it at 15% just to make it. And then, as you said, Oliver, your profit margin you're trying to get is about 10%, correct?
Yeah, about 10% exactly.
Right. So 600 represents 75% of revenue. You understand where I'm
Yeah.
getting at those numbers, Oliver?
Yeah, I do. I do.
So if you go to the calculator, you do 600 divided by 75 and then multiply by 100. So Oliver, you could basically, with the float that you have, with the cash
Mm.
flow that you have, you can manage a business that's selling $800 a day or $4,000 every 5 days, assuming that you take all the profits and spend it every month.
Yeah, that's not the case. So it will just like for the time I will I think it will last maybe about 2 3 months. So yeah, I'll put more liquidity. Like I'll spend less money
Right.
to add more. So,
Okay.
but it's not that bad. Like I think it won't will I'll make it and it won't be as difficult as it was back a few months ago.
Yeah, because the liquidity you were given was $200.
Yeah, that's different. If I made it with $200, I can do it with the $3,000 credit card.
Yeah, yeah. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you guys understand if you're trying to start an eBay dropshipping business and your eBay account is not paying right away, you could look at whether you have $1,000 to start, $2,000 or $3,000 to fulfill your orders. Now you could do the math and figure out how much you could sell and how much you could profit.
Yeah,
Anyway,
exactly. And,
go
and I
ahead.
think it's cool that we make a video like that. So that's really what the people doing dropshipping are going through. Like it's like the main issues and like the daily life of doing eBay dropshipping for a living. Like
Right. And the thing, if you do the quick math, right? At $800 a day in sales, you can make $80 a day. By 30, you could still make $2,400 profit a month with a $3,000 float.
yeah, when we calculated, like when I heard I learned the news, I was pretty sure. But when we calculate like this, it's not that bad. Like
Right, right.
when you plan the situation, yeah.
Okay, guys, so like the video, subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, you guys understand the math that we went through with the profits, the profit margin, eBay fees, cost of goods sold, how much money you need to make $2,400 a month dropshipping on eBay. That's kind of the point we wanted to go through when you're dealing with the delayed payments with eBay dropshipping. Like, subscribe. I'll put a link in the description to some free tools. Contact Oliver directly, contact me directly. I'll put my calendar, a link to Oliver's community. Subscribe to the channel. Any comments you guys have, any questions, leave it in the comment section. Have a good one, guys.
Yeah, see you guys.